Hello, everyone. So we are looking at questions from our chapter Matrices, Phase 5, Exercise 2. This is question number 9. So question number 9 is about a skew-symmetric matrix. So A is a skew-symmetric matrix such that transpose of A into A is equal to I. And then we have to find the value of some power of A. So A raised to 4n minus 1, where n is a natural. Okay, so how do we proceed? First of all, what is Q? A transpose is equal to minus A. All right. What else is given to us? A transpose into A is equal to I. So from here, if we just replace it, so minus A square is equal to I. That means this is nothing but A square is equal to minus I. So we know this. Now if you square it, A4 is equal to I square. Okay, no. Let us first try it one by one. So A is equal to minus of A transpose. A transpose is minus A, so A is minus transpose. And A squared is equal to minus I. Now, if I want to find out A cube, I multiply A both sides. So A cube is equal to minus I, because I'm multiplying with A, so I can do pre and post. So don't think that here I have multiplied with A post. So this is nothing but minus A and A to the power 4. How do we get this? Square it. So we get A4 is equal to I square, matlab simply I. Now this is very similar to our iota of complex number. So what is happening here? If you look carefully, this is all powers of 4n. So this is what? If I want to write in terms of the power. So this is A raised to 4n. This is A raised to 4n minus 1. This is A raised to 4n minus 2. And this is A raised to 4n minus 3. I think all of you can relate to it very easily, complex number. So what we have, the outer thing, not the complex number, the outer thing. So we have to find out A to the power 4n minus 1. A to the power 4n minus 1 is this category. So this is nothing but minus A. Now if you look at the option, there is no minus A. But we know that minus A is also A transpose. So our option is A transpose. Thank you.